This next song we're going to share with you is a crazy song. This is a crazy one. What key we do this one in, brother?
This is in the KFC.
Okay, I don't know what was in my son's mind when
I
he
need to
wrote this
explain
song.
myself a little bit.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
This is fictional. First off. Where was the inspiration?
This is a fictional song. It's called Mother-in-Law. So you guys...
I just wanted a comedy. Fictional comedy.
Fictional, okay. So
like a
you
movie.
guys, listen, this is off of Pena Bu's new album. You guys can download it. We don't, no put tips, okay? You guys can go download music. So you guys... Island Beyond the Stars under Pena Bu. Pena space BU, okay? Download his brand new album. Up for a couple of awards, bro. Up for a couple of... congratulations. Love you. And here's a little tune, Mother-in-Law. Pena Boy.
I never leave her for another, as sure as the stars in the sky. And besides the fact she's my children's mother, when I knocked her up, I made that girl my wife. With beauty beyond explanation, wouldn't trade her for diamonds or pearls. Until I met her mother, damn, she's stunning. And I know that it's sad, but I'd rather be her dad. 'Cause I've got a thing for my mother-in-law. Never thought this kind of thing existed at all. I've got a problem that I need to solve, 'cause I think I've got a thing for my mother-in-law. Oh, save me, oh Lord, from this temptation. Deliver the lust from my eyes. No, I would not hesitate to ask her mom out on a date, 'cause that body type's my kryptonite. I've got a thing for my mother-in-law. Never thought this kind of thing existed at all. I've got a problem that I need to solve, 'cause I think I've got a thing. Ukulele. I've got a thing for my mother-in-law. Never thought this kind of thing existed at all. I've got a problem that I need to solve, 'cause I think I've got a thing. Pretty sure I've got a thing. Guaranteed I've got a thing for my mother-in-law.
Yeah, I think you got a problem, son. I think you really got a problem.
Check me in.
Check him in.